naging dahilan para you feel better now.
Ay! Hindi, ano po? Hindi, kasi alam... Oh my God! Kanina, syempre... Hindi, secret po? Inahiya naman ako nakitang i-divulge sa inyo ang aking mga sinasagot. Sa akin na
akala mo yung one classic day without you.
Ang ganda.
Ay, hindi naman po. Hindi. Tama na naman po kasi ang kailangan po namin dito ni DJ Heidi or si George, yung kanyang painful experience sa love, mas malalim eh. Kasi gano'ng katagal mo yung relationship nila ng 5 years. At hindi yung yung Skype o...
Direct lang. Ano ka mas nyo dati?
So, okay lang naman. Hindi mo po ganun kabigat sa akin. Kaya din po nakapag-move doon ako pakikan.
Ito na yung semester.
Hi, Clara. So, now you can say, you can thank your past relationship for having made you a better deeper actress.
Nakatulong po. Nakatulong malaki. Siguro yung death. Meron ng death. Kahit kapapaano. Kahit kapapaano. As an actress. Ayun, alam ko pong napakarami ko pa kailangan tutunan. As an actress, kasi hindi naman po regular yung mga acting projects ko eh. Mas singer po tayo. At mas nakilala po tayo sa mga light na mga story or characters na ibibigay po sa akin. So, sobra po akong na-inspire kay Gerald kasi ang galing-galing mo talaga. Galing.
Pero Sarah, after this, siguro ganyan yung
Katatay ko sila.
are you ready or would you be interested to venture into deeper acting?
7 daw siya makakarating.
Eventually po sana.
Malapit na ba sa kanya mo?
Magbibigyan ng pagkakataon, bakit po hindi. At talaga panahandaan po natin yun.
Or Ayala, mga ganyan.
Director Ras was talking about an important scene that you shot earlier. What was this?
Well, this is well, it's between Sarah and Gerald when they get to talk about their relationship in the context of, as you saw naman in the trailer, especially she comes from a very painful past. So how does she get over it when someone's offering, when Gerald's character is already offering love to her? Parang kailangan sa pag-ibig. So, you know, the character is asked to confront them, the emotions. So, ito yung sinasabi ko rin, it's very satisfying, it's very fulfilling for a director to have her actress, his actress, deliver. And that's one of the things na tulad niya sinasabi ni Sarah ngayon. I can very much tell na it's coming from a personal level na ng pag-uhugulan niya ngayon. So sabi ko, I know it's painful. Pinag-usap ko sa may monitor. Sabi ko, sometimes it's hard, para nakakapagod pagkalin yung eksena. Pero at the same time, may sarap. Sabi
siya rin yung writer nung ano.
Kasi kahit pa paano, may catharsis na nangyayari. So, yeah, that was just recent.
What's catharsis?
Yung parang nababalikan niya kasi kahit pa paano, di ba nanghugasan ka from all the pain. So, kahit pa paano, milestone siya.
Parang nagkaroon ka ng healing, further healing through this role.
Ano po?
Healing.
Playing the role provided you a kind of healing. O hindi ba?
Somehow, ako, natulong din. Kasi, ang dami ko natutunan. Like yung character ko kasi, syempre, takot na siya umilig po ulit. Pero merong pangyayari na yung napunta siya sa isang sitwasyon na least expected niya, talagang never niyang ginusto. At yun yung nakatulong sa kanya para maintindihan yung ibang tao, yung mga tao nakasakit sa kanya na akala niya talagang intentionally sinaktan siya, pero hindi. So ito po yung, wow, galing, sakto. So, kaya ako na ako, naiiyak na sila muna.
Alam mo yung Yang Ji.
Si Gerald, no? I can hear a lot of screaming behind us. Wala na bang opposition ng Emerald sa mga bago ng proyekto?
Po?
Fans po natin. Fans po ng
Yes.
team and
Nandiyan na sila eh.
opposition o okay na, tanggap na nila lahat ng nangyayari.
Sobrang ako natutuwa sa kanila kasi sa shooting namin sa araw, dumadalo sila at kahit sa first movie po namin sa araw, sobrang supportive sila. Kaya mula pa nung pumasok ako, paglabas ko ng TVP hanggang ngayon, hanggang pa rin sila. Sobrang thankful sa kanila.
Manay, may question si Eric Chancellor.
Congratulations. Ulit po, anak ngayon, reporter. Jen, congrats, Sarah, and the whole Direct Raz, Martin, and JB. I have a question for Carmi. Nauna ba ang konsepto o yung story o yung casting? Nung sinulat mo?
Casting.
Casting muna.
Sinabihan kami na, uy, gawa tayo ng ano, kasi dami nire-request ng follow-up talaga for the Sarah Gerald Tadler. So, nag-usap-usap kami, gawa tayo talaga pagbigyan natin yung pangalawa agad. So, naging casting. And then, saka kami talaga ng-brainstorm ng bagay ng kwento for the two of them.
And for me, nung sinabi sa'yo na isa Sarah Cheryl team up, right away nakaisip ka ng concept ng story.
Ano po, parang actually challenge and kasi coming from the very successful film na rin po, parang kailangan po sana may maiba na bagong offering. And din po yung pinogos namin as a group na nag-brainstorm. And then, buti na lang din po, naging madali naman in a sense po na nakakapita naman po namin as people tong si Gerald at saka si Sarah.
For Direct Raz, but kayo fan the team up?
Yes. Kasi I wasn't when I first watched the movie, kakabalik ko pa lang ulit sa Pilipinas. So it's one of the first few films na Star Cinema ulit na nakita ko. And nagulat ako, si Sarah at si Gerald na pala yung love team ngayon. So parang ako, I don't remember them having been in a soap opera together or ito naman Globe commercial nila, it's also ngayon lang. So parang nagulat ako. But when I watched the film, parang I came out saying na wow, the chemistry. So sobrang naging fan of that.
Pero talaga yung inspiration ba ito ng mala categories niya, hindi na may cruise or what have you?
I think definitely may inspiration because this is Star Cinema and Star Cinema makes the best romantic comedies naman talaga. I mean, I think people will really give it to Star Cinema. And because I was working as a writer for most of my writing projects were for Direct Cat. So definitely it's always been there. Kaya yeah, there's I think you have a feel of it. Much as I try to introduce new things, I think you'll get a sense of that definitely.
Alright, thank you so much.
Here's a question from Mario Bautista ng Malaya at saka ng People's Journey.
Hi, Sarah. Very successful yung first movie nyo. Do you think this movie will surpass yung kinita nung first movie nyo? And I have a question for Martin and JB. Ano yung roles ninyo dito sa pelikula?
Siyempre po yung goal po namin ay sana po talaga maging successful yung movie namin. Kumbaga, lahat kami isang team at ginawa po namin lahat para mapaganda yung movie namin at kahit medyo hectic yung schedule namin. Yun, sana lang po talaga magustuhan at kiligin at tatawa yung mga tao. Alam po namin na susundan, may 2 blockbuster movies kami susundan pero kumbaga, ang pinaka-goal sinasabi ko sa nila at the end of the day, dapat maging thankful lang tayo na kasama tayo ulit dito. Yeah.